Welcome back to Skyway Classic Cars. Here to do another YouTube video. It's me, Shane, and camera lady Nyla on our 1979 Volkswagen Beetle convertible.
Silver punch buggy, no punch back.
It's a 79, so it's a fuel injected Beetle. The top is real nice. The paint is real nice. Runs and drives just as it should. It does come with a custom Beetle Volkswagen cover, and it does come with the convertible top boot.
Yes.
When you got the top down, you got a boot to put on.
I put those both in the front. Got everything you need.
Fresh paint, fresh restore.
There's also extra speakers too, Pioneers back here that you can hook up. Super clean interior. I like these seats. Super fun little ride. I'll show you the front here. It's got the cover and the boot right in there. Really pretty. So we will get the engine started and take it for a spin and see how she drives. Stay tuned. All right, here we are in the Beetle.
This is a fuel injected 1979 Beetle convertible.
4-speed, awesome.
The clock still works over here on the left.
Okay.
And all your gauges work, all your lights work. Your air conditioning vent is open.
Yes, this is the AC right here. It does really create a nice little breeze.
Mm-hmm.
This is an awesome little fun ride.
The owner of this car recently had it restored and repainted. Everything's solid, there's no rust.